Hi, are you a small business on Main Street, USA? Have you noticed that malls, shopping centers, and plazas are taking away your customers? As the older generation ages out, the younger generation is heading to the mall and to the big box stores instead of heading downtown to you. It's too expensive for you to move to the mall, and your current marketing and advertising isn't working the way it used to. Nobody opens up phone books or coupon mailers anymore. No clients mean no business. So how do you get young customers back to Main Street? The answer is through social media. There are literally hundreds of thousands of potential customers within 5 miles of your business, and they all have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. But do you know how to reach them? A full-time social media marketer can charge over $60,000 per year. That's way too expensive. Do it yourself? Sure. But when? You've got no time. You're running your business. And how? Are you tech savvy enough to do it? Using social media, we can help you get more foot traffic from new customers for less money than you ever thought possible. Our service creates traffic for your business automatically. Don't believe it? Try it out for a month and see for yourself. There are no hidden fees or catches. That's right, no sign-up fees, no minimum terms, no annual contracts, no cancellation fees. If, after signing up, you don't see tons of new, real local followers on your social media accounts, then cancel. And best of all, we do everything for you. That means you have no complicated campaigns to manage. Just sign up and watch the magic happen. You will be truly amazed.